may have heard about the sustainability benefits of using timber framing, but what is it about the process of creating timber that makes it the ultimate renewable? To understand that, we're going to have to do a little bit of science. This is a carbon dioxide molecule, one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. Too much of this in the atmosphere acts like a blanket, trapping in warmth and contributing to climate change. But what if we could take it out of the atmosphere and turn it into something useful? This is the magic of how trees grow. Trees produce timber for our homes by absorbing carbon dioxide from the air and drawing up water through their roots. Using energy from the sun, it turns it into glucose, which the tree uses as energy to help it grow. That includes making the structural material that we can then mill into framing timbers. So when you're holding a bit of timber, roughly half that weight is carbon, which has been pulled directly from the atmosphere and locked up. And what's even better, with the carbon absorbed into the tree, the oxygen is then released, and that's what you're breathing right now. Meanwhile, a new tree has been planted where the old one stood, which starts the cycle all over again. Saving the planet doesn't need to be hard. Just ask your builder, is it a timber frame?